And how you doing this morning, partner? Yeah, you ready to get this party started?
Yeah.
One of the elder statesmen of the town and senior pastor at Maranatha Ministries. And so we're going to look at the new facility they've got going on here. Hey, how are you doing, Bella? Yeah, imagine we started just 2016. And I'll pull our video too. Hey, let's tell Kobe we said hello, would you? I will. I miss seeing him. So, okay, guys. Okay, let's go check it out. Had about a 300-mile day today. Everyone did pretty good. Even Randy did pretty good. Nothing major went on today. Tomorrow going to Chattanooga and got to try to figure out how to turn this GoPro. What do you think? Ready to get this party started?
Ready to get this party started.
04? Good morning. We are in Memphis.
We are not.
No, we're not in Memphis. Where are we?
Little Rock.
Little Rock. We're on our way to Memphis, and the weather's a little bit overcast today, and all of our rain gear on. Got our bags covered up, and
Let's get this thing going.
you ready to get this party going, man?
Let's get this puppy on the road.
How are you this morning, Randy?
Doing good.
Let me see. Oh yeah, I got you guys on the side. What's your word for the day? It's a scary, isn't it? Her son is a wannabe filmmaker. He's out in California, so we've got a GoPro, and so people that we meet along the way, we're GoProing it, and then he's making a little thing for us. So I'm just gonna do my GoPro thing here.
Rosalie.
This is GoPro Israel.
What is it?
This is our friend Israel. It's a GoPro.
It's a
We're doing our trip from Dallas Fort Worth all the way to DC.
Yeah.
And people we meet along the way, we're just doing our GoPro thing here, and so very clean. And your shirt even matches your motor scooter.
They're probably gonna make fun of me because I ain't riding it. See?
No. And so we're at a rest break just outside of Nashville.
Their family is from Israel.
Yeah, and so All their siblings have Jewish names. Very interesting story. And anyway,
Now they're converted Catholics.
they're converted Catholics. Amen. So, oh, here's the finger, David. That's the finger, and don't have my smiley face on it.
Are you giving my son the finger?
No.
That concerns me.
No. Anyway.
The one you put in front of the camera.
Yeah, let's get the box in. We haven't got them in here much today, just because of the weather.
Hey, you gotta film my gloves.
And here is all right, we're recording this morning.
Good morning.
How we doing this morning?
Doing good.
Tell everybody where we're at this morning.
We're in Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Where we headed toward.
Bristol. I'm excited.
You're excited. Good morning. How are you this morning?
Good. You have to
Well,
get
you got to get close, man, so we can get those pretty lips in there. So we're
get this party going.
04.
04.
Okay.
When this party started, we're missing Eric and Aaron, but so we got Randy.
Got Randy. Okay. Try to get some more video. We haven't done much because of the weather and the. Yeah, I had a year figured out. And anyway. Anyway. So I apologize.
Just me and the boys.
Eric, we need you back. You see what we're working with here? We need you back. West Yellowstone.
West Yellowstone.
The town is West Yellowstone. West Yellowstone. Where we're at. If you haven't been doing drugs this morning, have you?
I said West Yellowstone.
Anyway, see you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, this is first stop today, and we're in the Yochi River Basin, and the dam's right behind us. And Randy wants to say hello to his family today. Say hello, Randy. Okay.
I love y'all guys. That's what he meant to say.
Meant to say Merry Christmas. There we go. I can't think where we even at.
Johnson City.
Johnson City, Tennessee. We've enjoyed our wet stay here. It's been wet, folks. I'm not gonna lie to you. What's the word this morning, Randy?
Get to DC.
We're
gonna see in trouble today, Trigger.
Oh, I hope so. Look here, look here, look here. Woo! Okay, we are here at the Marriott, and it's in Fairfax, just about 15 miles from downtown DC. And
Everything in our bag, our boots, our gloves, our pants. We have everything laid out in this room.
yeah, everything got wet, so
dried up. The Harley shop
Harley shop at 10.
first.
Yeah. And then go to do the Arlington Cemetery tomorrow at noonish. And then we're going to do a
Bus tour.
Tomorrow night. A nighttime tour.
And then Friday is our anniversary.
Friday's our anniversary.
20 years now, at least.
25 years. And we're in the hallway here. Let's see what he's got to say here. You there? It's the finger. What'd you say? Joe camera. So you coming down?
I said, told Van, I said, I might come down, but don't hold his breath.
Okay, all right, we'll see you in a little bit then. All right, here we go. Which door's gonna open first? The one on the right or the one on the left? Go number one. There we go. People that we meet. You say okay? Here you go, hold it.
I'm going
Your
to.
first
Where you
cigar.
going?
Well,
This is, what's your name?
My name is Yan Yuli.
Young Julie. Tracy. This is my brother Van.
Hello, how you
My
doing?
wife Sheila.
Hi.
She's gonna come out and kung fu our ass, is she? The saying is, get you some of that. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You ever heard of the door openers? Mom's gonna take you by the hand, man. Take me by the hand, pretty mama. Dance with your daddy all night long.
Like to hear some.
Funky Dixieland, and mom's gonna take you home. All aboard! Went up 11,400 feet. That's how tall the mountain is. Over 2 miles. Whoa.
It's pretty cool.
Okay, we're filming. Okay, we're at Fairfax, Virginia. Hey, what's your name?
Hey, it's Letterfly here.
Let her fly,
We're
okay?
getting ready for Rolling Thunder.
You wanted to get some little pinstriping done to it, so
Today's the day.
today's the day. So we're making a video everywhere we stop this trip.
That's awesome.
And so
Fun.
you're going to be in it. So thank you
That'll
for doing
be
that,
great.
and I'm going to just work around you.
I get to be famous.
You get to be famous. Let me
You're
see.
not a wanted man, are you?
Okay, I'm going to see what you got going on here. Awesome.
Putting the cross back on the back.
To DC, and going to go to the Arlington National Cemetery today, and hopefully do a city night tour on the bus. So that's what we got going on here today.
How about you, Randy?
Don't get on the green one.
Don't get on the green one. That was some local advice.
Very good advice.
And, I
No
think
green
they're- I
buses
think they're
today.
trying to protect us from possible being a victim. So anyway, okay. Okay, we are at the train station, and here in Fairfax, and okay, we're trying to get things going here and get on the train. we are at Arlington National Cemetery, and we're here with the crew, and we're gonna go upstairs here in just a second and see the President John F. Kennedy's final resting place, along with his wife Jacqueline, and the eternal flame. So let's go up here and check it out today. Great shot of the cemetery. And so now Paul never said that. He said that's a sad sight.
He said that the next morning when there's only one more beer left in the refrigerator, don't drink all the beer.
That's what he said.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I am Sergeant Hudson of the 3rd Infantry Regiment, United States Army, Guard of Honor, Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. The ceremony that you are about to witness is the changing of the guard. In keeping with the dignity of this ceremony, it is requested that everyone remain silent and standing. Thank you.
Pretty cool little deal going on right here. Hope the video can pick this up with these soldiers carrying flags and honoring those veterans here in Arlington Cemetery. Okay, we're through. We're through.
We're right.
Yeah, the door's only open on this side. The other side, they're gonna open on the other. If we're on the wrong side.
That's what I'm saying.
Very good.
Yeah, one train's going one way, one's going the other.
We're gonna go.
We want to go this way. I'll give you that.
Do you wanna go that way?
And we'll find a seat right up here in front of us. Okay, door is closed. Got the video going, and we got 2 bars left, so we got a little bit of time left on this last battery.
Good.
And
Walk into the Pentagon.
there we go, people we see. Would y'all mind being on our video?
Not today. We
Okay.
can't do it today, but
It's not recording. It's not recording right now.
Just put it
I'm sorry.
I don't have my baton on. Where's my baton?
Town Smithsonian. Yep, we're in line to get on the big D
Big D, Washington D.C.
bus tour.
Yeah, baby. Let's
Town
get this
Square.
all rolling.
You ready to get this party going? Oh, yes, sir. Okay, we're getting on the big double D big bus right here in the D.C., heart of the downtown, right by the Capitol. And have a good night, guys. Thank you. It's been called a spy a while ago. I'm not a spy. A civilian here. Okay, here we are. What do you say, Van? Huh?
Let's get this puppy
Let's
started.
get this puppy started. Okay.
04.
04. All right, I'm gonna turn it off for a
Let's talk
minute.
about the hero. See, it's Hero 04.
Hero 04. Okay.
That's
That's what
probably.
I'm talking about.
Okay, here we go.
Boom.
You knew it would come to us.
Okay. Come here. Wrong video. Oh, the blinky light's going. So we made it to the Washington dealership here in DC. Turn this bad boy off. We get inside. Okay. And so, gonna fill this green light here up right here. Pretty awesome. There we go. And so, anyway, all right. There we go. Where are we going tonight, Sheila? Vietnam Veterans Memorial.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Okay.
04.
04.
Vietnam
Okay.
Veterans Ride.
Okay.
Chinese
Candlelight
food.
vigil. Yeah.
First, and then go ride to the candlelight vigil. like
Okay.
Texas said.
Where are we at?
Washington, D.C. or Fairfax, Virginia, I think.
Where are
We're
we
at the high
at? Where are we
school.
at? Fairfax.
Fairfax.
Okay, I'm asking one more time. Where are we at?
West Yellowstone.
Okay, here we go. Where are we at?
Where's Yellowstone?
West Yellowstone.
Yellowstone.
Hey, we're at the Vietnam Veterans Candlelight Vigil Service here in the DC area, and we got several bikes. I'm going to show you a little bit of a view right here. So we're getting ready to probably go take a little break and a snack and get something to eat. And that's the plan. So you ready to make it happen?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Go for it. There's a good shot of the wall right here.
What's up, Buttercup?
morning, Team Badger reporting in from Fairfax, VA. We got a band fixed to come by. So there's Randy. What's happening, partner? Give me a word. That's about the best you're gonna get out of him. Good morning. Hey, are you guys gonna continue on?
Yes. We are. We're gonna start playing from here in just a little bit.
Well, I got my GoPro finally going. This thing's about to wear me out. But
tag us.
Yeah, I got you.
Post us on Facebook,
I will. Thank you.
Instagram, all that good stuff.
I got you. Thank you. Okay, I want to get you guys when I'll come by in a minute. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. How you doing, partner?
Hey, how's it keeping?
You're on our video, man. So, what's your name?
I'm Bob.
Bob, how you doing, Bob?
Out of Colorado, formerly of Boston.
Formerly of Boston. Never been to Boston, so.
That's a trip you ought to take.
I want to. Where do you live at in Colorado?
I got a ranch down to Four Corners.
Four Corners, yeah. We've been out a few times, yeah. So.
Okay.
I went that way. Did you ever think you'd have two Cowboy fans on the side?
No, say it ain't so, Mama. Mama, this ain't happening.
Go Cowboys.
Go Eagles.
You love Jerry Jones deep down, don't you?
Oh,
morning, guys.
Tony Romo.
Morning, ladies.
We'll take in.
I heard Roger Staubach.
There you go. Go ahead. No, you're good. Here we are. Well, we finally made it to the Pentagon parking lot, and you can see this parking lot here is just full of people from all over the United States, and getting ready to go on the Rolling Thunder ride here in the Pentagon parking lot. And everyone's getting their backs going on here. We got some. Hope we have a good trip here, and no one gets hurt. We gonna get in any trouble?
I hope so.
Get this party started at 4-4.
04.
All right, here we go.
Thank you.